Okay.
Aren't you afraid of heights? Yeah. Maybe this is a bad idea.
It's really slow
I'm
though.
happy.
I've gone on it before.
But it's not fast. It's really slow. Here we go.
This is literally the only fun part of this ride. That is literally the only fun part of this ride. Look at the lighting fixture. Oh, there was like a lighting
See,
lamp.
I'm sitting really awkwardly now. Here we go.
Oh,
okay.
sorry.
Uh-oh. Am I leaning in here?
Yes, you are leaning.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Copyrighted music coming up.
Look at the ride.
Yeah, I know. Pretty cool, huh?
Oh, it's live. That's live.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I can't see him.
That's kind of good. Oh, there's the audio guy. Look.
Oh, yeah.
Audio
Cool.
guy's back.
Very cool.
Right there, that little... This is where I am during my 5-hour break. I don't know where my coworkers are, but this is where I am.
Hey, there's a scrambler.
This is like the only time San Jose looks pretty.
Well, no, because the sky is not gray. It's blue. And it's not so smog.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, the water park.
Water park is
Plus,
packed. Look at that. I think it's probably closing this week or maybe very soon.
It's also
so.
this is like the last time it's warm.
I know.
Oh, that's true. Yeah.
Wow.
Season's almost over.
See, I want to go check out all the new stuff. We haven't been there since they have updated.
Yeah, they upgraded the whole thing.
Yeah, I
It's all
know.
like crazy now. Like that, all those water slides over there are new. All of those water slides are new. Oh, it's just grassy. Look at that. It's just swampy grass.
Do you want to ask Darren if he wants to go with the last time he can play with?
Eventually, we're not there yet.
Oh, the summer school is going on.
Yeah.
My work ends soon,
Okay.
but then my school starts.
Oh
so,
no, that's no good.
Yeah.
Whoa.
That's no good.
And I'm spending that week at Johannesburg.
Almost December.
Well, I'm also spending that week at Johannesburg.
I was saying we're almost December.
Look, it's Woodstock Express. Oh wow, there's a line for Woodstock Express. I've never seen a line for Woodstock Express. I've never seen a line for Woodstock Express.
It's hot.
I always forget some people live in Santa Clara. See, there's all those warehouses.
Yeah. So much storage space.
Yeah, it's probably food storage though. I think those ones over there are probably like park stuff. See, there's a bunch of warehouses over there.
They look more.
Well, just because that's right next to the food court, so it makes sense if that was all food warehouses.
Oh,
that's
sorry.
probably all like
God,
wine.
look, he turns around
Sorry.
and he goes over this way.
I know, it's quite large.
Hi, Daddy. I love you. You're not my dad.
And again, this is the only part of the ride that's fun. Like rock.
That was
The part where it
Look at
shakes.
the house.
The part where it shakes and rocks is the only part of the ride that's fun. And this part right here.
We survived.
What are you talking about? It's
oh
a
my
good
gosh,
ride.
look at this ride.
You're
I miss
correct.
the people mover.
This is a good